Oh, gonorrhea. The clap. Some people call it the clap for the French word for brothel. Others call it because the old remedy is that you have to clap your penis or smash it between two rocks to expel the pus it gives you. But you think you have it? Don't worry, we can do something about it. It's the Middle Ages. Intelligence for your life that you can share with your friends. It's steak tartare. First of all, let's determine if you have gonorrhea. Are your genitals itching? Are they itching? Like scratching in public itching? Yes? Okay, then that's a sign. Are you leaking liquidy pus? It could be white, green, or yellow. It's the colors of the rainbow. Next, do you pee what I pee? Send the weenie to the little man. Is it blood that I see? Sore throat? Your butt hurts? Do you have stomach pains or if your guy's scrotal pains? But don't worry, we have the latest medicines to fix you right up. Oh, sorry, did I say medicines as in plural? My bad, I meant singular, just medicine. We're only in the Middle Ages. So for this treatment, we're going to need a needle. Here's a sharp one. And some metal, like liquid metal. Let me just grab a bottle of mercury. Okay, I'm ready. I'm going to need you to pull down your pants and I'm just going to inject it into your hot dog so we can get the medicine right inside. We're going to go right up the pee hole, okay? So pull down your, okay, you're definitely not a man. You're what we call a definition of a whoa man. Get it? Get it? But that's okay. Having really strong man hormones is good. Yeah, there's always occupations in the medieval times that require burliness. So it looks like you just have some redness and sores. Good news, we can ditch the needle. Yay! And I have a cream just for that made with the finest mercury. I ground it myself. Oh, how does it work, you ask? Well, mercury kills bacteria, but we're not going to understand bacteria for a few hundred years. Mercury also kills many good living things too, like cell growth and response rate, but again, we're not going to figure that out for a few hundred years. Excellent. So let's just call it, magic? Oh, wait, nope, I'll get burned at the stake for that. It's a very religious time. We can call it the willpower of God! So I want you to take this mysterious metal and rub it all over your sores and itchy spots and pray that the Holy One will cure you. Sound good? Alright, I told you, I'm a good doctor. Now the last thing you should know is side effects of my mercury medicine, okay? Look out for sickness, insanity, joint pain, and possibly an early death. We blame this not on the mercury because we all know it's totally safe. Come on, it gets rid of rashes after all. The side effects are obviously from the toxins being released from your body due to the healing properties of mercury and your four humors getting back into balance. Also, if you're ever pregnant with gonorrhea, oh, you are pregnant. My mistake, I thought you were just fat. Awkward. Anyways, good thing you came early to me, so we still have time. As long as you don't have the disease when your baby is born, your baby won't have the side effects from gonorrhea, which can be growth defects, inflammation of joints, and eye infections. We will eventually realize that it's due to the fact that the so-called bacteria like to make its home in crevices and moist areas, which is why you get infected in the various holes of your body. Your peeing hole, your pooping hole, and your swallowing hole. So as long as your baby doesn't pass through any of those areas while you're still infected, it'll be alright. But as soon as it touches your linings, it can contract something. So just keep it inside for a while, until we clear this thing up. Oh, the Middle Ages. Taking mercury while you're pregnant and having gonorrhea while you're also pregnant. Do we live in the modern age or what? You are so lucky for medieval modern medicine. Oh, don't be scared. The medicine is easy to use. It's like a cream. But if you don't take it, you could die. We will later understand it as septic shock. But basically, think of energy in your body like an army, and you have army soldiers everywhere in your body, including your organs, and when too much of the army population is deprived from your organs due to your body trying to send backup troops to infected areas to kill the virus, then your organs fail and you die. But again, we're not going to figure that out for a few hundred years. And one last thing, if you don't cure yourself, you can become infertile. God will take your ability to have children away. Eventually, we will realize gonorrhea makes a home inside your fallopian tubes, or if you're a man, your scrotal tubes. See, your body sends its army of fighting cells to kill the intruder virus. And all that battling makes your tubes swell. They get irritated. Swelling means overstretching of your tubal lining, overstretching means tears, tears means scar tissue, and scar tissue is thick. And it's too thick for your eggs and sperm to flow through, making you infertile. So that's why it's important to take your mercury. You should be ever so lucky that we have found this wonderful liquid metal that cures everything. So, you have your cure, go have your baby, and stop going to the brothels! Plus the burns, it really yearns to pee so much, it's such a fuss, it's gonorrhea. It's gonorrhea. It's in my mouth, my belly hurts. I think I got it on my shirt. It's gonorrhea. It's gonorrhea. And care to learn more? I have even better videos coming your way. Then join us on YouTube and subscribe for your answers to everyday questions.